This type of support will enable farmers to improve production, efficiency, and long-term food security. Head of the unit, Atlee Hostin, emphasized the significance of modernizing agricultural practices to ensure efficiency, sustainability, and the ability to meet growing food demands.
With this recommissioning, we ensure that our farmers have access to reliable and efficient machinery, enabling them to meet the growing demand of food production. This is not just about restoring equipment. This is about strengthening our agriculture foundation for future generations.
The commissioning event marked a crucial turning point for the nation's agricultural sector, with further initiatives planned to support and empower farmers. Minister for Agriculture and Lands, Forestry and Marine Resources, Honorable Lennox Andrew, has given assurances that his ministry remains committed to ensuring the success and growth of the agricultural community, helping to feed the nation and stimulate economic growth.
Today is a very special day in our effort to build a strong Ministry of Agriculture and in our effort to produce the goods, the agricultural goods that we need to consume and that we also need to export, to pay for those goods that we consume but we do not produce. It's a very special day. We have on display 2 large wheel tractors. You know what they are? 2 small wheel tractors, 1 backhoe loader, 2 small trailers, 1 rotary cutter, 2 rotary tillers, 2 furrowers, 2 subsoiler, 3 disc plow, 30 power tillers, 1 crane truck, 10 chainsaws, 10 shredders, 10 weed eaters, spare parts, and everything else. We are starting and we are recommissioning this unit with all of these equipment for our farmers.
Farmers representative in the Senate, Roderick St. Clair, welcomed the recommissioning.
Let us use the service to the maximum. Let us able PSR at the same time. Whoever farms that are plowed, we know what crops they are growing, so that we could able to monitor and see what the outputs from that is.
Farmers are expected to receive efficient and timely service. Interested farmers can make their request for service through their district extension offices, following which the area will be assessed by an extension officer and team member from the farm machinery unit. Once approved, the farmer will be informed of the cost for the service and payment can be made at the Inland Revenue Department. Once the proof of payment is produced, the department will then notify the farmer of their scheduled date for the service. The government has also ensured that these services are offered at a fair and reasonable price, with a new cost structure in place to cover rising expenses. Christina John, GBN News.